Welcome back to Transcendental Harmony, where we delve into the depths of spirituality, metaphysical insights, and our living a well-balanced life. I'm your host, Darren. In today's episode, we'll delve into the profound journey of self-discovery and personal growth by embracing the concept of letting go of I am to make way for I could be. The journey of transformation involves releasing preconceived notions of who we are and opening ourselves up to the potential of who we could become. Recognize the emotions, the thoughts, the feelings that you usually deny or ignore. Accept these feelings and emotions as part of you. Ask yourself why you have these feelings and what triggers them. Acknowledge these feelings and integrate them into your conscious self. Many of us retain stress in our bodies without realizing it, leading to shallow breathing patterns. Deep, mindful breathing can help release tension and promote relaxation. Journaling allows you to express all your thoughts, worries, emotions onto paper. It can be a powerful tool for self-reflection. It can help you identify and let go of limiting beliefs. Our imagination is a powerful tool for manifesting emotional release. Visualization exercises can help you imagine a future where you have let go of I am and embraced I could be. Regular meditation can help you increase self-awareness and promote a sense of calm. It can be a valuable tool for exploring your inner self and letting go preconceived notions. Keeping a gratitude journal can help you shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. This could help you let go of I am and open up new possibilities. Body scanning. This involves taking a few moments, mentally scan your body from head to toe. Wherever you come across some type of tension, take a few deep breaths into this area. List burning. Write down the things that you want to let go and then safely burn the list. This symbolic act can provide a sense of closure and release. Take a breath. Whisper to yourself, I am. And notice what arises. Now whisper, I could be, and fill the space open. Let go of the labels. Let in the light. You are not fixed. You are becoming. Cultivate a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that our abilities and our intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. By cultivating a growth mindset, we become more open to change and willing to embrace new possibilities. Set intentions. Setting intentions can help you guide your actions and decisions. Focus on what you want to achieve and who you want to become. Write down your intentions and revisit them. Stay aligned with your goals. Embrace change. Change can be daunting, but it is also an essential part of growth. Embrace change with an open heart and mind, and view it as an opportunity for transformation. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself throughout this process, understand that growth takes time, and it's okay to make mistakes. Practice self-compassion and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage your growth. Seek out mentors, friends, communities that share your values and aspirations. Their support can provide motivation and be inspiring. Embracing transformation and letting go of I am to make way for I could be is a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. It involves challenging our perceptions, cultivating self-awareness, and opening ourselves up to new possibilities. By embracing exercises and embracing the concepts, you can embark on a transformative journey towards becoming your best self. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of embracing transformation. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and stay connected. Follow us for more insights on spirituality and wellness. Thank you for joining us on Transcendental Harmony, sponsored by Tranquil Transcendence. Take care, everyone. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, namaste.